ZOOMLINE Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and a service provider for full-range high-end asphalt mixing plant and eco-friendly recycling asphalt plant. The mobile asphalt mixing plant, developed and designed by our company, has the characteristics of convenient mobility, stable and reliable quality. It is basically designed for effortless assembly and disassembly, for convenient moving from one product site to another often. Mobile asphalt mixing plants can greatly save the time and cost of installation, and has won unanimous praise from customers. ZEB M-Series mobile asphalt mixing plants are exported to Thailand, Singapore, Cambodia, Bangladesh, Uzbekistan, Costa Rica, Ethiopia, and other countries.